Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. An excellent midsize SUV that combines comfort, room, and functionality is the 2025 Hyundai Palisade. Below is a summary of its main attributes and functionality. With 3 rows of seats, the Palisade's roomy cabin can easily fit up to 8 passengers. High-quality materials, cozy seating, and an easy-to-use multimedia system adorn the well-appointed cabin. Advanced safety systems including blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assistance, and forward collision avoidance are standard on Hyundai vehicles. The 3.8-liter V6 engine of the Palisade produces enough power for both smooth acceleration and hauling. Because of its finely calibrated suspension, the Palisade provides a comfortable ride. Driving in a variety of situations is made easier by the V6 engine's smooth and linear power delivery. Passengers enjoy a smooth ride because to the Palisade suspension, which effectively absorbs road imperfections. The Palisade handles admirably for its size, with accurate steering and little body roll. Even though it isn't a sports SUV, it's a terrific choice for families because the third-row seats are surprisingly comfy for adults. To suit various sitting arrangements, the second-row seats are easily foldable and slid. The Palisade has plenty of cargo room for groceries, bags, and other stuff when the third-row seats are folded. The cabin feels even more roomy thanks to the panoramic sunroof, which gives it an airy and open vibe. The interior of the 2025 Hyundai Palisade is intended to be both fashionable and practical, making it a pleasant and comfortable ride for all. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade's roomy cabin is among its most striking attributes. If you have a big family or a lot of goods, the Palisade can handle it. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade boasts a number of cutting-edge safety systems, including blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assistance, an automated emergency braking system, and many more. The driver and passengers feel more secure and comfortable thanks to these characteristics. The 2025 Palisade's interior is incredibly well designed, providing enough of room and comfort for every traveler. Modern design and premium materials create an opulent appearance. A huge touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, and a host of other entertainment elements make up the 2025 Palisade's incredibly user-friendly infotainment system. There is plenty of trunk room in the 2025 Palisade, particularly when the third row of seats is folded. If you have a lot of luggage, this is quite helpful. For the 2025 Palisade, Hyundai provides a range of trim levels and accessory packages, allowing you to personalize the vehicle to your preferences. Other midsize SUVs including the Kia Telluride, Honda Pilot, and Chevrolet Traverse compete with the Palisade in addition to the Ford Explorer and Toyota Highlander. Each has unique benefits and drawbacks. We can contrast in terms of design. Every automobile has a unique appearance and interior style. Pick the style that most appeals to you. Performance. Evaluate each car's handling, acceleration, and engine power. Features. Examine the available features, including comfort, infotainment, and safety technology. Price. Examine each car's purchase price and upkeep expenses. All things considered, the 2025 Hyundai Palisade is a great option for individuals or families in search of a roomy and cozy SUV. It is a strong contender in its class because of its practicality, comfort, and safety features.